Explorer. It's your girl Explorer, and I am back again with another video for you guys. So today, guys, we're going to be looking into another unboxing, but it's different than before. I only have two things. The second thing I just recently got, and the first thing I got maybe a week ago. I was waiting for the second thing to come, so it's finally here, and I'm here to unbox it with you guys and show you guys. And we are also going to be gardening while at it. Well, not at the same time, just after that, so stay tuned for that. But before we get into that, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and definitely hit all post notifications so you can get all updates when I first post a video. And with that being said, let's get into it. So as you see here, I have the 2024, yes, 2024, this is a collector series of Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. We have Zero, we have Jack the Skeleton, we have Sally, and we have Oogie Boogie. So we are going to be opening. Let's see. Let's see if I can get that. I might just, because I'm not going to keep the box. Just kind of rip that. Okay. And I got to pull her out. Okay, guys. I got this from Target. Also, I will be doing Target runs and stuff with you guys, so stay tuned for that, and like just little places that I go from time to time, little vlogs, so stay tuned for that. Now this, honestly, I would say like The Nightmare Before Christmas would be my second favorite like movie, like Tim Burton movie, I would say. Honestly, I wish Coraline was a Tim Burton movie, but it's like not, but it should be. Like, it just makes sense to be, if that, you know. But everybody, I guess, everybody has a different opinion about it. Trying to get him out of here. We got him out. This is Zero. Look at the little pumpkin on his nose. Ta-da! The first one is out. Put him to the side. Now to take the next one. One second, guys. So we have Jack the Skeleton here. I like this little bat. I always like this little bat kind of like mouse kind of tie on him, bow tie on him. This is very nice. We're gonna put that to the side. Now on to the next. So we finally got her out. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Comment down below what you guys think. I don't like how like it looks like she has like on Red Riding Hood's, on Little Red Riding Hood's robe. Like, well, hood. Like, literally. It like doesn't feel like, this is not hair. This is not hair. Well, obviously it's not gonna be hair, but like, you know, could have at least made, you know, and look at least a little better. Look, I could literally lift it up like that one Wednesday and shit when they were doing that at Five Below. But her head is not that. Her forehead is not that big as Wednesday's. But I love my girl Wednesday, of course. But yes, this is her, my girl Sally. Now we're gonna put her to the side with Jack and Zero. Last but not least, Oogie Boogie. Here he is, Oogie boogie. So he's just green. I like the outline. I like the softness of it and how it's like, it's just very soft and plush. Like, I love that feeling, that squished feeling. But we're gonna put him to the side now with the rest of them. Okay, so we are all done. And we are gonna put that to the side over there. Okay guys, now time for the next thing. So here's the last thing I want to show you guys. I just recently got this, which I am so hyped that I got this because this is going on my wall. I don't know when, but it is going on my wall and I cannot wait. I'm going to be switching my room around. So here it is. I don't know if you guys could really, I want to see it guys. So we got a Pierceville flag kind of tape sheet. This is the Misadventures album, actually. I love this album, and this will be going up on my wall. I had her backwards. Did nobody? Well, obviously you guys can't tell me I had it backwards, but this is her though. Sorry if I had it backwards. Okay. Well, you know, I actually drew this. I posted on my Instagram. I did okay, I would say. Like, I did all right. I'm not an artist, so I don't really draw like that. So, yeah. But if you want to check out my Instagram, it is in the description below, so check that out. And yeah, let's get into the next thing. As promised, I did say that we are going to be gardening at the end. So here's moi. I just don't want it. You did demonetize my video. So I don't know if like you can have fire on here and shit. So I'm gonna just like do this to be on the safe side. I already got like fucking copyrighted for a like background music that I had put in the video for when I did like the making the nachos and the other shit with my best friend. Like that shit got copyrighted because I put music over when we was eating pretzels, but like just copyrighted it, so I just had it. It was an option to take it off or just like suffer the consequences, it said. Also, if my ghosts aren't clean, don't mind that because the window is open. Good shit. Bro, when I like put it this way, that shit look purple. That's how you know it's that gas. Also, I don't know if YouTube ah fuck, mother shitter. That shit really hit. I also put this in a microwave. So that's why that shit is really like hidden. I'm hitting the blunt and the blunt hit me back. Like, I'm like, do you guys have any tips to stop coughing? Like, learn how to like, just like minimize it, like not like going crazy on it. Yeah, comment down below what band you guys like. Got a lighter. That sounded like I said got a lighter, but I said gotta light her. Do you guys think that I should start like streaming on Twitch? Because if you guys like, my fucking hair is like stuck to, well, was stuck to my necklace. But anyway, wait. Never mind, guys. I thought I was like going crazy for a second. I thought my necklace, like this part, like broke off, and like I had no more necklace. I thought that was just like this, like not this, not the nameplate. But comment down below if you guys think that I should do Twitch, stream on Twitch, because I would do that. But comment down below what you guys would want to see on there, and I would be open to anything that you guys want me to do. Is done, which means that the video is done. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video with me unboxing and gardening with me. Bye guys.